Today we are looking at a Great Northern Railroad locomotive. This produced 1,000 horsepower at 800 RPMs, fairly slow turning engine, and had a top speed of 65 miles per hour. This has been parked here since 1990. It was donated to the Railway Association. They sandblasted and repainted it to its original colors at that time. You can see here it looks like we have large fuel tanks. Take a look at these leaf springs here for the suspension. The drive motors. All these heavy linkages. Case of fire, lift cover and full ring. Back down this side here, looks like we got a storage compartment. More suspension, drives. This must be a braking mechanism, I would think. The steps and see what we can see up here. The main light. On the side. This must be access to the engine. Right down the side here. Back up on the rear. Up. Take a look inside the. Now we're locked here. See a seat there for the operators, their control valves. Looks like they're storing some stuff in here at some point. Go up and down on either side, coupling in the back. Finally, this was one of 7, built in 1942.